Good morning, everyone. Here is a look at the lesson 19 math work today. Measure each set of lines in inches and write the length on the line. Complete the comparison sentence. Okay, so line A measured about blank inches, line B measured about blank inches, and line A is about blank inches longer than line B. So if line A was 10 inches and line B was 5 inches, you would subtract. So make sure you subtract. I'm going to make a minus sign right there. Okay, so you will subtract line C and line D. The same thing. You'll measure line C, line D, and then you want to know how much shorter it is. You're going to subtract. The second page of the problem set, you are solving these problems. 32 feet plus blank equals 87 feet. Okay? So we have 32 feet plus something equals 87 feet. Okay, so students could do this with a tape diagram, or I myself would like to do it, and probably most parents, 87 take away 32 to find our answer. Okay, and then B, 68 feet take away 29 feet, and C, something take away 43 feet equals 18 feet. Something that's important to remember here is to label your units, so we know that it will be feet. Okay, so these are all feet. Number 4, Tammy and Martha both built fences around their properties. Tammy's fence is 54 yards long. Martha's fence is 29 yards longer than Tammy's. How long is Martha's fence? So here we will be adding, because it's 29 yards longer than Tammy's, then the total length of both fences. Okay, I'll leave that one up to you. The homework for lesson 19. Same thing as the problem set. You'll measure lines A and B. Line A is how much longer than line B. The same for C and D. 3, solve and check your answers with a related addition or subtraction sentence. So 8 inches take away 5 inches equals 8 take away 5 is 3 inches. Okay, and then you can check by saying 5 plus 3 equals 8. And on the second homework page, it is just more of those questions. Please submit the first homework page right here when you're done. Thanks.